Today is going to be a wood cutting vlog. I have to go get a cinder block to keep the trailer down because there's more weight in the back. Alright, we got the cinder blocks on the tongue of the hitch, so now the trailer is somewhat level. Alright, here's the wood that we'll be chopping. And here are the chainsaws I'll be using. The Stihl MS 260 and the Ego 54 volt 16-inch electric chainsaw. Alright, I'm done for now. I mainly use the Ego. There's the model and name. It's actually a 56 volt. I used the gasoline Stihl chainsaw on that big piece at the end, but that was about it. I used the electric one for the rest.